Welcome to our webinar. Today we will show you how to create installation clarity and execute your projects efficiently and reliably. The focus is on how to model components in a targeted way, structure them clearly, and position them precisely within the model. This allows you to maintain full visibility at all times and establish a solid foundation for planning, coordination, and execution. As a result, you ensure that all components fit together perfectly on-site during installation. Before we move on to the next steps, let's take a brief look at Part 1 of the webinar. In Part 1, we established the foundation of the construction and showed how to work efficiently in 2D planning with ATHENA. The focus was on creating a sheet metal facade element as the basis for all further steps. You saw how components can be structured clearly and combined in a clean and logical way. This resulted in a transparent and well-defined planning foundation. Key details and connections were defined to ensure a smooth and reliable implementation. Building on this, we will now show you how this data is transferred into 3D and further processed for installation and production. In Part 3, the focus is on accelerating production processes. This includes sheet metal unfolding, bill of materials, and direct manufacturing exports. All relevant data is automatically derived from the model and used directly for production. This creates a continuous process from planning through to production-ready implementation. A special thanks goes to our customer ProPlan Metallbau. We are very pleased to present this project as part of this webinar. This project was fully realized using our solutions ATHENA and APOLLON. Projects like this clearly demonstrate how important structured planning and clean execution are in practice. We truly appreciate the trust placed in us and the opportunity to share insights into this project. Thank you for the open and collaborative partnership. We now move into Part 2 of the construction process. Let's begin again with our 2D section. Here you can see the prepared substructure in ATHENA 2D. In both the vertical and horizontal sections, you immediately recognize the structure as well as the exact position of each element. With ATHENA and its parametric profiles, you can create such substructures very efficiently. With just a few clicks, you place the elements directly in the view and build a clean and structured foundation step by step. You can then directly reuse the existing 2D information. This is transferred into ATHENA 2D Plus, and the substructure is placed directly into the sheet facade view. This creates a continuous and consistent construction model without any additional rebuilding. Building on this, assemblies are attached directly to the 2D Plus profiles. Connection points are clearly defined, allowing components to be positioned precisely and connected cleanly. A key advantage is that manual drawing is no longer required. Instead, assemblies are defined directly on the object using the ATHENA assembly function. Dimensions, offsets and reference points are set specifically, ensuring that elements are correctly integrated into the construction from the start. Especially for recurring details, this approach saves significant time. At the same time, it reduces typical sources of error such as incorrect spacing or inaccurate positioning early in the process. In addition, the entire construction remains consistent. Changes can be implemented quickly and in a controlled way as the assemblies are organized parametrically. Now I will show you how the substructure is used further. The elements created in ATHENA can be converted into a 3D model at the push of a button, as you will see in a moment. This immediately creates a three-dimensional representation of the existing construction. Next, we extract the substructure and transfer it to APOLLON. This forms the basis for further processing, detailed construction, and the subsequent development in the 3D environment. This creates a seamless workflow from 2D planning through to full processing in APOLLON. Now we move on to the next step. You can convert the substructure directly into a 3D model at the push of a button. From the ATHENA 2D Plus substructure, three-dimensional profiles are immediately created, including the previously defined assemblies. All elements are automatically transferred correctly and displayed in the 3D model. This means that the entire structure from the 2D planning remains fully intact and can be reused without any additional effort. At the push of a button, a consistent and fully developed 3D model is created. It is particularly important that the assemblies are already correctly assigned and immediately visible in the model. At the end, we also display the finished sheet metal element alongside the 3D substructure, which we already developed in part 1 of the webinar. You can clearly see how the substructure and the sheet metal element integrate seamlessly and are perfectly aligned from a construction perspective. This is a key advantage for planning, as it provides early-stage confidence and ensures that all components will fit together precisely during installation. This is exactly where the major advantage of 3D construction becomes evident. You can clearly see the direct relationship between the vertical and horizontal sections, which serve as the foundation for planning and preparation. This results in a continuous model that already contains all relevant information and can be used immediately. In addition, you can see how detailed the assemblies in ATHENA are structured. Individual components are precisely defined and easy to understand, which significantly simplifies further processing. With just a few clicks, you can transfer the substructure directly to APOLLON. The interface between ATHENA and APOLLON guides you safely through the entire transfer process. Not only the geometries are transferred, but also all associated assemblies and positional information. This allows you to continue working in APOLLON without any additional effort and with a seamless transition. This creates a continuous workflow from 2D planning to 3D construction and further processing in APOLLON. The substructure is now transferred directly to APOLLON without any intermediate steps. The entire process is fast and seamless, allowing the data prepared in ATHENA to be used immediately. All relevant information is preserved and directly available in APOLLON. The goal is to further process the substructure for installation and prepare it as a simulation. This allows you to verify at this stage how the individual components will be assembled later. The direct transfer creates a continuous workflow without any media disruption. You move directly from planning in ATHENA to further processing in APOLLON. This creates the foundation for reliable and transparent installation planning. We now move on to the assembly presentation for installation planning. All components transferred from ATHENA to APOLLON are directly available in the assembly presentation. All elements are fully prepared and ready to use. You can clearly see how the individual elements are assembled step by step and how the construction behaves in practice. This simplifies planning and improves coordination within the project. A major advantage is that no components need to be created twice or prepared afterward. All information is transferred directly and remains consistent within the model. This saves time and reduces potential sources of error throughout the entire process. Another key advantage is the significant reduction of errors. You can approach the project with a high level of confidence, from planning to construction and through to production. Typical issues such as incorrect spacing, inaccurate positioning, or missing components are detected and avoided early. This reduces material waste and improves overall efficiency. In addition, the entire construction, as well as other element types, can be simulated directly. You can clearly see how all components interact and whether everything is correctly aligned. Especially in more complex projects, this is a major advantage, as potential issues can be identified and resolved before installation. Let's now move on to sheet metal engraving and unfolding. On site, clear identification of sheet metal parts is essential. In practice, a lot of time is often lost because components need to be searched for or cannot be clearly assigned. With sheet metal engraving in APOLLON, positional and component information is applied directly to the sheet metal and remains permanently identifiable. This creates a solid foundation for a structured and traceable installation process. Using this positional information, sheet metal parts can be clearly assigned and directly matched with the corresponding drawings. This means no more time is lost searching and installation can be carried out much more efficiently. Especially in larger projects with many components, this is a decisive advantage. All elements are clearly marked and can be installed correctly right away. Each part is uniquely defined and can be mounted directly in its correct position. This saves time, reduces coordination effort, and significantly minimizes installation errors. Another key advantage is that the marking is generated directly from the model. All information is already fully integrated into the design and does not need to be added manually afterward. This creates a continuous data foundation without any media disruption. Planning, construction, and installation are seamlessly connected. Changes can also be tracked at any time, as all information is maintained directly within the model. This increases transparency and overall project reliability. This provides a clear structure for installation and ensures reliable identification of all components. Building on this, we now move on to the unfolding of the sheet metal parts. Here as well, the process is executed at the push of a button. The sheet metal parts are automatically unfolded and are immediately available for production. This allows you to generate production-ready data without any additional effort. The unfolding is based directly on the constructed geometry, ensuring maximum accuracy and reliability. In addition, The unfolded parts can be directly processed further and transferred to downstream systems. This creates a seamless transition from construction to production without any media disruption. At this stage, the advantage of a continuous 3D workflow becomes especially clear. All information is already available and can be used directly. You also have the ability to perform a visual check at any time within the model. You can immediately verify whether all elements fit together correctly and are fully assembled. This allows potential issues to be identified and resolved early, before moving into production. The entire element, including the substructure, is now fully created and verified. You now have a consistent model that is optimally prepared for both installation and production. Then, let's start directly into the presentation. In summary, the key results can be outlined in 3 central points. First, a continuous workflow allows the 2D planning to be transferred directly into a complete 3D model without any loss of information. This creates a consistent foundation for all subsequent project steps. Second, seamless integration ensures that construction, installation planning and simulation are fully connected. All processes are linked and can be efficiently continued. Third, maximum planning reliability ensures that errors are identified at an early stage and all components are optimally aligned before implementation. This results in an efficient and reliable overall process, from planning to successful execution. This brings us to the end of our webinar. Feel free to scan the QR code below to follow us on social media. You can find videos about our features and past webinars on YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time by email at webinar@cadplan.com. You are also welcome to address your questions directly to Philipp Schwab. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to staying in touch with you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.